Hello everyone, welcome to Archana's Teaching Hub. If you are preparing for the CTET July 2026 examination, this series will help you understand the complete child development and pedagogy syllabus in a very clear and exam oriented way. In this series, we will cover the entire CDP syllabus topic by topic, and every concept will be explained with clear explanations, examples, important points, and practice questions. This will help you build strong conceptual and understanding and solve questions confidently in the examination. Today, we are starting class 1 of this CDP series, and our topic is growth and development. This topic forms the foundation of child development, and understanding it will make many other CDP topic easier for you. So, let us begin today's session. Meaning of growth. Growth refers to the physical increase in a size, height, weight, and structure of the body. It is mainly concrete with changes in the physical aspects of the human body. Growth includes measurable changes such as increase in height, increase in body weight, growth of organs, increase in size of body parts. Growth represents quantitative changes, uh, meaning the changes can be measured and express the numbers. For example, if a child's height increases from 110 cm to 120 cm, this is growth. If a child weight increases from 20 kg to 25 kg, this is also growth. Characteristics of growth. Growth has several important characteristics. First, growth is physical in nature. Growth mainly refers to changes in the body structure and physical appearance. Second, growth is quantitative. It can be measured in numbers such as height, weight, and body size. Third, growth is limited. Growth occurs mainly during childhood and adolescence and usually shows down or stops after maturity. For growth follows a defined pattern. Growth does not occur randomly, it follows specific biological patterns. Now, meaning of development. Development refers to the overall and progressive changes that occurs in a person throughout life. It includes physical, cognitive, emotional, social, and moral changes. Development is not limited to body size, it focuses on improvement in abilities, skills, and behavior. For example, a child learning to speak properly, think logically, solve problems, interact with others. This change represents development. Development represents qualitative change, meaning it focuses on quality of abilities rather than quantity. Characteristic of development. Development has the following characteristics. First, development is continuous. Development begins at birth and continues throughout life. Second, development is holistic. It includes physical, mental, emotional, and social development. Third, development is progressive. Development always moves from simple abilities to complex abilities. Fourth, development involves qualitative changes. It focuses on improvement in thinking, learning, and behavior. Relationship between growth and development. Growth and development are closely related, but they are not the same. Growth is one of part development, while development is a broader concept. Growth focuses mainly on physical changes, whereas development includes overall changes in personality and abilities. For example, when a child grows physically and at the same time learns language, thinking skills, emotional control, and social behavior, it shows development. Thus, Uh, Growth contributes to development. Difference between growth and development. Growth refers to increase in a physical size. It is qualitative change. It can be measured easily. Growth stop after a certain stage. Now development refers to overall improvement in abilities. It is qualitative change. It cannot always be measured directly. Development continues throughout life. Example for better understanding. Example of growth. A child height increase from 100 cm to 120 cm. Example of development. A child learns to read, write, think critically and solve problems. Thus, growth focuses on body changes while development focuses on functional improvement and abilities. So, in today's class, we understand the basic concept of growth and development, their meanings, characteristics, and important differences between them. In the next class, we will discuss principles of development, which is the most important topic in a CTET Child Development and Pedagogy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class on Archana's Teaching Up.